This is the Mustang Swaging Tool for Mustang nozzles. We've had this tool made to do hose repairs on armadillo hoses for the range of hoses that we sell with our machines. When you buy this tool, you get 3 pushers. One pusher is for 1/8, one is for 3/8, and the one that's in the tool is for 3/16 and 1/4 inch. The dies that you get will be 3/8, 1/4, 1/8, and there's a 3/16 one in there. You get a pair of cutters, you get the tool itself, you get the handle, you get a little Allen key up in here, you get instructions on how to do it. You can see you've got slots here for all the swages, but it doesn't come with any swages because we don't know which combination of hoses that you've got. So if you're going to order one of these tools, let us know what hoses that you're using. If you're not sure, just give us a call and let us know. So different machines from different areas will use different hoses. Some of the older machines will have 3/8 on the main reel and 1/4 inch on the mini reel. Some will have 1/4 on the main reel and 3/16 on the mini reel. Some of the newer machines have 5/16 and 1/4 on the mini reel. So there's no 5/16 die in this kit. So if you've got a machine that uses 5/16 hose on the main reel, you might want to get an extra die from us, a 5/16 die, and just replace like one that you're not going to use, like say the 3/8 for example. If you don't have 3/8 hose, you may as well replace that die with a 5/16 die, and then the pusher you can use a 1/4 inch one with 5/16 hose. This swaging tool is purely for guys in Australia who have armadillo hose. If you don't have armadillo hose, we can't guarantee that the swages that you use are going to work on that hose. So if you're going to buy one of these kits, probably best you have one of our machines or you have armadillo hose. And it's probably not a good idea for us to be sending these to America because the swages are all BSP, and in America they're using NPT. So you're going to run into problems with trying to, once you've swaged this onto your hose, you won't be able to screw your nozzles on, they won't screw on properly. So that's the swaging tool. Just remember, if you're not sure what hoses you're running, give us a call, and they don't come with swages. So don't just order a kit online because you'll get the kit and you won't be able to fix anything if you don't have any swages. So let us know what you need and we'll be happy to help you out.